Counting the number of distinct keys in a dictionary in Python. I have a dictionary mapping keywords to the repetition of the keyword, but I only want a list of distinct words, so I wanted to count the number of keywords. Is there a way to count the number of keywords, or is there another way I should look for distinct words?
The number of distinct words, i.e. count of entries in the dictionary, can be found using the len function. To get all the distinct words, i.e. the keys, use the .keys method.
Or just, if you like to count unique words in the file, you could just use set and do like.
If the question is about counting the number of keywords, then I would recommend something like in the main function of something that loops through the data and pass the values to the counter-currencies function. The code outputs
Calling len directly on your dictionary works, and is faster than building an iterator, d.keys, and calling len on it, but the speed of either will negligible in comparison to whatever else your program is doing.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.